Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Ryan with Rigs of Death Metal, and today we're going to check out the Firepower from Gremlin Machine Shop. Check it out. Alright, now you guys have got to hear the Firepower. Let's talk about it a little bit. So essentially what we have is a preamp pedal with an overdrive added onto it. Simple as that. Essentially based off of like a JCM 800, maybe a little bit more 900, splitting hairs. We have a master volume and an afterburner, which is just a clean boost, just to kind of help raise the dB. We got a 3-band EQ section and a gain knob for this top row for just your amp. Then these 3 green knobs here control your overdrive and toggle switch whether you want it tighter or looser. It's essentially a tube screamer. It's a little less gain because we don't normally, in metal, we don't normally use the gain on an overdrive. We keep it about 0 and crank the level, so we're really just using it as like an EQ shape and a level boost, just to hit the front of the amp a little bit harder, get a little bit more compression out of it. I did a demo on this already, but wasn't happy with it and felt like I could have done a little bit more with it and, I don't know, maybe up the presentation a little bit. So we're going to revisit this, and right out of the gate I feel like I got a better tone this time too. I just ran into the front end of the Kemper, just like another demo I just shot, running into a profile of a Marshall JMP. Just kind of a light breakup, you know, nothing too crazy. This thing seems to do best in either front of an amp, whether it's a clean channel or a light breakup, doesn't matter. If you do run it into a gained out amp or even light breakup, you're really going to want a noise gate. I end up using the Michael Klein Audio ball gag noise gate just to try to cut back some of the feedback. If you're into a clean channel, you know, a little less noise floor. I've also ran it into my Most Valve power amp. So if you've got just a good power amp or something you want to run it into, works great for that. It does not do very well in the effects loop of an amp, which I talked to Paul from Gremlin, and yeah, he didn't design it that way anyway, so no harm, no foul there. Yeah, I want to say that these go for around the $200 range. This is the second time that I haven't bothered to check the price whenever I've done these videos, but yeah, it's fine. Which, you know, considering it's a preamp and an overdrive in one, I think that's a pretty killer deal, especially considering these are handmade. Paul is the one and only guy behind Gremlin. He assembles these, he sells them, you know. You can hit him up if you have any questions, which, you know, that's what I love. I like small builders where I can actually talk to the owner and the guy who's putting them together. For the demo, I was running my LTD EC401, my clips with EMG 81 and 60. The only other pedal I use besides this and the noise gate, I clicked on my Lone Wolf Audio Void for a little bit of a delay and lead boost. And then I kicked on a delay in the Kemper just to kind of hear the two. What a delay sounds like going right after this versus a delay if it were like in a loop or something, or an effects loop rather. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Gremlin Machine Shop. I'll include the links below in the description. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Bye.